Hi, today I'm going to show you my special salt mixture. I got this recipe from my mother, and she got it from someone else, and that person got it from someone else, and I'm sure that person got it from someone else, and now I'm passing it on to you. I use this on eggs, I use it on meat, I use it in stews, virtually anything where I need salt. This is the mixture I use. So I'm going to show you how to do this. It's very easy. And then also I'm going to show you how to store it, because it's quite a lot of salt that you make at one point. We start off with 1 kilogram of table salt, normal table salt. I use an old ice cream bowl to mix it in. Then we add 1 bottle of black pepper. We add another bottle of garlic salt. I add a packet of Aromat. This is 75 grams of Aromat. Same amount that you'll get in the containers. And then 1 bottle, or I've just bought a refill pack of Barbeque Spice. There it is. So this is how it looks at the moment, everything in this container, and then I close it and I start shaking it. There you are. I'll shake it a little bit more. And that's it. Now, I use this container for myself. It's got holes on one side, and the other side you can also open up. You can get a teaspoon in there. So that's what I use. Okay, but there's a lot of salt in there, so what do? Courtesy of my local bank, I've got some little plastic bags, and I put half a cup of this mixture into the plastic bag. That's about enough to fill up one of these bottles, if you want to use a bottle like that as your container. And I put it in a old ice cream container. And you continue with this, and when you're through, you put this in your freezer, and you can store this in your freezer for months on end. It won't come to any harm, it won't get any moisture in it, because it's in a sealed plastic bag, and also put a lid on, you seal this container, so you don't have to be afraid that it will get moisture in, and you can store it for months on end. It's a lovely little packet of something that you can give to a friend if you want to share this salt mixture with them. But that's the salt that I'm going to use in all the food that I'm going to make. Thanks for watching.